Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, it's nothing too crazy. Elite Tuner is tomorrow. Today is currently Friday as of this video. So tomorrow I just gotta, prep a couple things before the show. I want to clean my wheels. I did pick up some Adams polish wheel and tire cleaners, so hopefully that works pretty good. I want to clean these carpets. A lot of you guys have been asking what kind of carpets these are. They are made by Phase 2 Motor Trend. So again, I'll link their stuff all on the screen so you guys can check them out. Really good quality products. It just gives the interior something that it's been missing. I kind of wanted to liven up the interior. Also, we're gonna do a scrub down complete inside of the interior. The dash is disgusting. If you guys haven't seen already my new steering wheel, my Monte Carlo 350 millimeter, check out that video. I will go ahead and link it in the description down below. But as of right now, I just dropped my son off from school. We're gonna head home, jack up the vehicle, and we're gonna get cleaning.
Hey, I'm Vic, and welcome to my channel. My videos mainly focus on my Honda Civic as I have a strong passion for Japanese cars, art, and anime. I do installs, product reviews, how-tos, and daily vlogs. Join me and my friends as I showcase their cars, attend cool events, and take you on some of my life's many adventures. My goal is to inspire others to pursue their passions through my automotive experiences. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Test out this new product by Adams called Adams Tire and Wheel Cleaner. This is actually my first time trying it, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna work. Let's start cleaning.
You can't help his being selfish. He's not worthy of you. You know, I thought we had a lifetime together. We just had this one.
After your guys done, you just want to take a microfiber, just dry off your wheels. I was actually gonna get some bronze wheels, but I'm glad that I switched and went with some gunmetal because I just love how it looks with the actual white of the car, and it doesn't really take away from the white of the car. It actually kind of accents it. So these nice and dry. If there's anything that anybody has a question on as regards to the build or 8th gens, I can try and help out the best I can, because I know information is scarce nowadays and not a lot of people are willing to help others. I'm always down to help you guys. If you guys have any questions, you guys can hit me up on Instagram at Vicwavy. I'll go ahead and put it in the description down below, or you guys can hit me up here in the comment section Like I said, I'm always down to help any of you guys with any of your questions, any of your builds. So we'll roll this back to the other one. And actually, DHL is here. Got some parts from Japan, overnight parts from Japan. Shout out to Up Garage. What's going on, boss? Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good one. All right. As you guys can see, original Honda Civic FD2. I don't know if I'm gonna unbox this here now and show you guys what I got, but I did get some genuine OEM Honda FD2 parts. So pretty excited to show you guys this. I don't know, stay tuned. Maybe the end of the video, maybe another video. All right guys, so I'm done with the first wheel. If you guys wanna take a look, they came out really, really nice. I will bring them out in the sun so I can show all of you guys, but this stuff works really, really well. And I mean, compared to how it was before, it's really just a night and day difference. Tires, much more clean. As you can see, there's like this road grime and just stuff that's built over time on the tires. So Adams Polish products, they work. Like I said, be careful with this stuff. You do not want this stuff to dry on your wheels or tires. Kind of want to keep the rinse going. And you don't really need to use that much because this stuff is pretty strong. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels out in the sun so you guys can check out and see for yourself how they look. Do maybe like a cinematic for you guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish up all the other wheels. So yeah. Some work right there. So wheels are on, they are very clean, as well as the tires. I went ahead and I touched up all the rock chips on all of the wheels, so we are good to go for wheels. Shout out to Adams Polish. Their stuff really does work. Before we get into the interior, I did get some VRP from Chemical Guys. I don't really use that much of Chemical Guy stuff, but I did pick some up anyways just to see if it'll work. So this is for the rubber, vinyl, plastic. You guys know that I swapped out the plastic moldings from my daily to this one, and I even did the drip moldings. Windshield cowl is also new, so I want to go ahead and protect all of these plastic pieces. Right now, I gotta go pick up my son, so as soon as I go and get him, we'll come back, finish up the video. All right, guys, so we are back home. Unfortunately, it is nighttime, so I did pull the mats out, and I think the driver one is just a little bit more dirtier than the passenger, so I might use my carpet extractor on these. I'm not really sure yet. I'm just gonna try microfiber towel and some spray and see how that does. And then I'll probably have to get started the interior as well as the inside of the dash. It's gonna be kind of tough to see at night, but I'm gonna try to get all this stuff done. All right, guys, so I basically just scrubbed the surface. These aren't really that dirty, so I didn't really want to take the carpet extractor to it, but I'm just gonna let it dry and see how it looks after. And if I need to go over it again, I'll do it again. But I'm just gonna let these sit here. And then now I'm probably gonna end up doing the interior, which is gonna be kind of tough because it's dark, but I'll probably have to use a flashlight or something like that.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, so finally the car is fully clean. Took a little while. I had to actually re-clean my wheels, which kind of sucked because I went filming and we had to go on this abandoned road and there was all kind of dust. So I had to take all the wheels off, re-wipe them down. So everything is good to go. Interior of the vehicle looks phenomenal, as well as the outside. I did wipe down the outside, as you guys can see. But I'll show you guys the inside real quick. And I just used the Chemical Guys nonsense. And I pretty much just wiped down as much as I can on the inside. I know you guys really can't see much, but probably for the show I can show in better detail. But I did wipe down the seats a little bit. I probably have to go over it a little bit more, but floor mats came out okay. Wiped down all the interior pieces here. And yeah, really happy with how the car is. In the morning when I wake up, probably gonna do the windows, make sure everything is all wiped down and clean, because right now I can't really tell if they're clean or not, because I did wipe down the outside with some glass cleaner. And I almost forgot to mention one quick thing. I did use the VRP trim restorer or sealant, and it actually works really well on all of the plastic trims. I went ahead and did all of the trims, as well as the drip moldings, as you can tell, and the cowl. So definitely gonna see how this holds up. I know a lot of the trim stuff tends to wear out over time, so I will let you guys know how that handles as time goes on. That is gonna do it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't anything special, no mods or anything. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you guys for your support. If you guys liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me tremendously. See you in the next one. Peace.